So I'm here today because I thought I had 77,800 miles on this motorcycle, and I was gonna wear out the set of tires and then do my 78,000 mile service on this thing when I got home today or tomorrow. And I turned the key and I had 77.5 something. And I know for a fact that these tires can't go 500 miles. I shouldn't be on them today. But this loop that I'm going to do today is only going to be about 200 miles. Which is going to put me at, I'm at 77,617. I've already done about 100 miles, so I'm going to be at 777. So there you have it. I'm still going to be about 300 miles short of my service, so I might just do an early service on this thing. It really just needs tires and the back brake adjusted. That new, one of my other videos where I put a new master cylinder on the rear brake, it's a little bit out of adjustment, so if my foot hovers over the pedal, the brakes are on. At this point, I don't even have to touch the brake pedal. If my foot just gets close to the brake pedal, the brakes start activating themselves. So I'm gonna need to back the plunger off a little bit. I can see myself trail braking into a curve and killing myself, destroying my baby that I've had for 18 years. I don't want anything to happen to this bike for another 18 years. But so far I've been successful on getting miles on this bike. I've been saying I want to get this bike to 100,000 this year. I don't know, I can't tell. I can't tell on the dash. I guess there might be a place for a 1 in front of the 77,000. We'll see. It's on my to-do list. 848 with 100,000 miles. It's not like I can sell it. Who's going to buy a bike? Who's going to buy a Ducati Superbike with 80,000 miles on it? Exactly. Look at all the people over there. Look at all the people. You can't get a parking spot. And that's just to use the bathroom. We're kind of sort of getting close to Gatlinburg. Kind of sort of. Take the bypass to Pigeon Forge. Daddy does not want to go to Gatlinburg. Does not want to go to Gatlinburg. can go to Gatlinburg. I don't need to go to Gatlinburg. There was a North Carolina activity bus leading this group of cars. There's no activity in the world that would make me want to sit on one of those white buses going to Gatlinburg. My bio parents have or had a timeshare up in Pigeon Forge. And I've driven a car up here once or twice to go see them. And it's just miserable. It's just miserable. Even in a Corvette with the roof off, it's not a lot of fun. And that dude's thinking it too. He just watched me go by going, God, that sucks. The dude's on that super bike and he's stuck in all this traffic. I feel his pain. I have to do it in my Mercedes. It's warming up though. 64 degrees. My fingers aren't numb anymore. And I'm getting amazing gas mileage. My average is 40 miles to the gallon on this bike. I'm probably getting 50 now. That'd be a cool job, I think. Being up here in the mountains, weed eating all day. They missed all those boulders. Nice. Now, if only this guy from Florida would go. Love it when they just like wave you over. They're like waving at you. Go around, go around. What about all the people behind me you're holding up? Sure, you want me to go around. You're still holding up 5 cars behind us. Why not just go? Go. Because when this road turns to 4-lane, I'm leaving you. If I came to Florida and drove like you drive up here, I'd get shot.